To start automating the process, first open Google and enter the query. Click on the green Code button and select Download Zip. A blank sheet will open, where we will now import the ready-made n8n pipeline that we downloaded from the repository. All we have to do is launch the pipeline and wait for the results. When the script is executed, data from CAD formats is first converted, and then the resulting table is checked against the rules we specified in the table with the parameters we need. The final table will open automatically, where we can see the presence of parameters and their values in the project we are checking. Validating CAD and BIM data has always been a complicated and time-consuming process. Data managers have to deal with a mix of closed formats, endless requirements, and different standards like EIR, BIM execution plan, and IDS. As a result, checking your project's data often takes days or even weeks. But you can bring all these requirements together in a single structured system and automate the whole validation process. Instead of hiring an entire team to review files and buying proprietary subscriptions, you can utilize open data and Pipeline's leading-edge tools. In this short video, we'll show you how you can quickly and efficiently validate your CAD and BIM projects using the free and open source n8n platform. To start automating the process, first open Google and enter the query, GitHub Data-Driven Construction. On GitHub, select the repository associated with n8n, where you can find a description and instructions on the project page. To download the repository, click on the green Code button and select Download Zip. The file will be downloaded to your computer. Now let's unpack the repository archive onto our computer. For convenience, let's create a new folder where we will move the pipeline and verification table, as well as the project files themselves that we want to verify. Now let's launch the terminal to run n8n. In the terminal, we just need to type npx n8n, which means that the package manager will run the latest version of n8n locally on your computer. Go to localhost to open n8n, where we need to select the option to create a new pipeline workflow. A blank sheet will open, where we will now import the ready-made n8n pipeline that we downloaded from the repository. Before launching, we just need to specify the path to our project, the address of the converter we will be using, and the address of the table with verification rules, which we will discuss later. After filling in these three addresses, all we have to do is launch the pipeline and wait for the results. When the script is executed, data from CAD formats is first converted, and then the resulting table is checked against the rules we specified in the table with the parameters we need. The final table will open automatically, where we can see the presence of parameters and their values in the project we are checking. Now let's fill in the table with new parameters and run the check again. Open both tables, the project table and the check parameters table. We will open the project table to find several parameters that we want to check in the future. Sort all the elements and take only the wall category elements. Now we can see the types that we can add to our table with rules. In addition, know that if you change the type name value to category in cell B2 in the rule table, you can check not only the type parameters, but also, for example, the parameters of items grouped by the category property or any other parameter from the project. Now, having added new parameters that we want to check in the project, let's run the pipeline check again. This time the pipeline will immediately find an already converted file, and instead of converting it, will go straight to checking, and as soon as the script finishes its work, it will output a new document report with the results of checking, which we can further add notes to show in any form, PDF document, graphs or dashboard, which can be immediately sent to the manager by mail or in Teams chat. You can find more data workflows and ready-made pipelines on our GitHub and on site datadrivenconstruction.io. In real projects, it all starts with the parameterization of tasks and validation steps, now fully customizable, regardless of the CAD format. n8n and flexible parameterization is exactly what you need to automate your processes. Welcome to the new era of process automation with n8n. Subscribe and stay tuned for updates to keep up with the topic.